Hi everyone. So today in this video, I'll show how we can delete the S3 bucket if there is any object inside that. So first we have to log into our AWS Management Console, and then we can open the S3 tab. Inside that, open the S3 bucket which we want to delete. So let's click on this and see. So if you see, we are getting the warning message that this bucket is not empty. So we have to first delete the object inside this bucket. So I'll click on the empty bucket. I'll delete the object inside that bucket. And then if we click on delete bucket, we have to confirm the bucket name while deleting the bucket. And now we can see our bucket is deleted. So thanks for watching the video.